$319 billion. Bernard Arnault amassed a fortune of $319 billion. He is the emperor of Louis Vuitton Moet Hennessy. Most believe he built his fortune by crafting superior goods and weaving finer silk. But that is a fallacy. The man did not sew a single stitch. He did not invent a single wear. Arnold saw that old merchants were skilled at craft but incompetent at trade. I saw this error constantly with the businesses I partner with at HTM Grow Ads. We take luxury direct-to-consumer brands that are stuck. They have the craft, but they lack the system. My firm builds the advertising infrastructure to scale these brands without ever lowering their price. Arnold uses 3 principles to do this. Here is the blueprint. Principle number 1. Promise the status. Arnold realized customers do not buy the handbag to carry the items. They buy it to carry the identity. The price is not determined by the cost of the goods. It is determined by the ego of the buyer. He made the luxury aspirational. He used aristocracy to make you feel that possessing the wear makes you a better person. Here's the takeaway for principle number 1. Position your offer as a status upgrade. Do not sell the carriage, sell the arrival. Principle number 2. Acquire undervalued and reposition. Stop trying to start from zero. The hardest part of the business is the beginning. Arnault didn't start a brand. He built by buying struggling ones. He took these old, dusty brands, raised the prices, and marketed them exclusively. So here's the takeaway for principle number 2. The best opportunities are often underpriced because they look ugly. Polish them, raise them, and you have an empire. Principle number 3. Use scarcity to drive the demand. Arnault used limited corrections. He denied the excess. The harder it is to buy a bag, the more people want the bag. If you can walk in and buy it today, it is common. If you have it in 6 months and if you wait for it, you will pay double. Here's the takeaway for principle number 3. Scarcity makes your offer desirable. If you have unlimited supply, create artificial limits. So here's the conclusion. LVMH is not built on luck. It is built on perception and positioning because Arnold sold a dream. And with that being said, I watch your rise. Until then, the ground takes the leaf.